Dear all, Ivanti Connect Secure 0-Day is leveraged to install DslogdRAT and WebShell. Recently it has been identified a 0-day vulnerability in Ivanti Connect Secure exploited by attackers to install DslogdRAT and WebShell. The vulnerability is tracked as CVE 202508282 with a CVSS score of 9.0 that defines as a stack-based buffer overflow in Ivanti Connect Secure before version 22.7 R2.5. Ivanti Policy Secure before version 22.7 R1.2 and Ivanti Neurons for ZTA gateways before version 22.7 R2.3. which allows a remote unauthenticated attacker to achieve remote code execution. Within this vulnerability, the malware is installed that enables attacker to establish connection with persistent access to compromised system. Moreover, attacker compromise VPN appliances to gain an initial foothold by installing a Perl-based web shell. This multi-stage attack typically targets secured network infrastructure in a way that maximizes persistence while minimizing the risk of detection. DslogdRAT was created with evasion tactics, allowing the malware to blend in business hours with legitimate network traffic and avoid raising alarms. Also, malware employs a stealthy and layered execution. When first executed, the main process quickly spawns a child process, and then terminates itself, minimizing its footprint. Typically, the first child process is responsible for decoding configuration data that is XOR encrypted using the key '0 by 63 Once decrypted, it creates a second child process which carries out the malware's core functionality. This multi-process strategy helps the malware operate discreetly and reduces the likelihood of triggering security alerts. Mitigation strategies. Updates SIEM, EDR and other endpoint security software with IOC. Update to the latest patched version of Ivanti Connect Secure. Keep Anti Virus Endpoint security solution up to date.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.